Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Christian, and I am the franchising consultant of TBX Food Hub. And we are here to discuss each and every information na need nyo malaman para maging TBX Food Hub Mandaluyong Branch co-owner. TBX Food Hub. So, TBX Food Hub's mission is to serve quality food and beverages at affordable prices, bringing people together with every meal. So, yun po talaga number one nating panlaban or ang mission talaga ni TBX is to serve quality food yet sobrang affordable na prices. So, yung ratio ng quality food, ng premium na quality and affordable price ang ating number one weapon or number one panlaban. Vision: to build hundreds of branches nationwide and become a trusted name for accessible everyday dining. So, yun po talaga ang vision namin dito sa TBX Food Hub. To build hundreds of branches nationwide. Same time next year, we set the goal na same time next year, dapat 100 branches na si TBX Food Hub. So, ganoon kalaki yung vision and yung mission ni TBX Food Hub. Yan, quick look lang. Ito ang ating menu. So, TBX Food Hub's menu. So, as you can see, meron tayong mga station. Kasi, each station is equivalent to different varieties of food. So, for example, itong burger station, ang ating burger station, hindi po ito kagaya ng mga burger dun sa streets. No disrespect, but what I'm trying to say is premium. Again, magsi-circle back dun sa mission kasi quality, sobrang premium ng ating mga ingredients. Kagaya dito sa Burger Station, 100% Black Angus beef ang sineserve natin. 100 grams of Black Angus beef. So, no extenders, pure na beef lang. So, itong Baksilog Station, Sizzling Station, Pakpak Station, Siomai Station, Potato Station, Rice Bowl Station. So, as you can see, napakadami, napakalawak ng ating menu. And bakit namin ginawa yan? Kasi parang maging question na lang sa utak ni customer is ano ang kakainin ko kay TBX Food Hub? Hindi yung kakain ba ako kay TBX Food Hub? Since parang lahat nasa atin ang gagawin na lang niya is mamili, hindi mag-decide kung kakain sa atin or hindi. And itong Siomai Station natin, mamaya explain ko later on how different are we sa mga ibang Siomai brands. Yan, eto po. Ang list or ang menu natin for our beverages kasi we do cater or we do offer ng mga beverages natin like itong Alfonso, napaka-classic Alfonso and Coke, itong mga cocktails, and meron din tayong mga whiskeys and beer. So, mga bundle yan, may mga kasama ng pulutan yung iba. And then, ito, Gentleman's Coke with whiskey for 49 pesos only. So, saan ka pa? Feel natin yung pagka-gentleman natin, yung parang pagka-businessman talaga natin, with just 49 pesos lang. Makakapag-chill ka na with a glass of Coke with whiskey. Ito naman is yung ating number one star player, kumbaga, kasi kitang-kita naman natin yung presyo niyan. 79 pesos, very affordable, 2 piraso ng chicken wings. Yan talaga is ang mostly na bumibili niyan is mga students. Kasi nga, if estudyante ka and gusto mo kumain ng masarap pero limited lang yung baon mo, ayan, 79 pesos meron ka ng masarap na chicken wings, original na sauce. And, ayun, sa atin naman, sa end natin, panalo tayo kasi ang product cost natin per meal natin is 40% lang talaga. And I'll explain that later sa projection or sa breakdown. But for now, what I want you to realize is this is a win-win situation for the customers and for us as well. Sila, nakatikim sila ng quality, premium quality na food. Tayo naman, kumita tayo and nakakapag-serve tayo ng maayos na pagkain sa mga customers. These are some photos and actually itong nasa gitna nitong tray is one of our best sellers or if not the best seller kasi this is our cheese and bacon. Isa yan sa mga pinaka tinatangkilik kasi talaga namang napakasarap. May cheese sauce tapos may bacon on top and I think if meron mang gumagawa niyan out there, tayo yung pinaka nagpapakilala nitong flavor na to. Some photos pa of her meals, our silog meals specifically. Ayan, corned beef. Ayan. Now, eto naman is yung ating burgers. So, again, 100% Black Angus beef, 100 grams. So, hindi po talaga tayo kagaya ng iba na lumiliit yung patty or nagsishrink or yung na numinipis kasi yung atin 100 grams talaga na purong-purong Black Angus beef. This is our Aloha Burger. Ayan, of course, very evident. Kita-kita natin yung pineapple. And yan, ito yung all-in natin na burger. So as you can see, merong pineapple, merong bacon, merong egg, merong hash brown, tapos yung Black Angus beef. And ayan pa, yung overload natin na hamburger. So these are some photos naman ng ating fries. So gaya ng ating cheese and bacon na chicken wing, ganyan din yung fries natin. Overload, may bacon, may cheese. And ito naman, iba pang toppings ng ating french fries. So, cheese. Now, ito, meron pang meat. Then, ito yung bacon, cheese and bacon. Ito pa, some photos of our meals, yung chicken wings. And ito yung mga pulutan series natin. So, yan yung sisig with egg. And itong nasa kanan, if you are not familiar, this is tumbong sa Tagalog term. So, isa yan sa pinakamabenta nating pulutan. Lalo na kapag beer ang in-order nung ating mga customers. So, tumbong, crispy tumbong, talagang deep-fried na tumbong. And isa nga yan sa pinakamabenta. So, ito yung pinaka-classic, yung sizzling hot dogs, onions, and tomato sauce. Ito, isa pang classic, chicharong bulaklak. And ayan, yan pa yung iba. And this is our nachos. So yan, as you can see, yung OG or yung classic na nachos na may cheese sauce and then merong meat. Again, the tumbong. And ayan. So these are some photos pa ng ating products. So yan, yung mga silog natin. Rice toppings. And ito yung siomai, yung sinasabi ko kanina. Dito sa siomai, hindi lang tayo basta basic na toyo mansi, though we do offer din toyo mansi with chili sauce or chili garlic. But ito, the rest of these photos, makikita naman natin kakaiba. Kasi ang ginagawa natin is, and I think wala pang ibang gumagawa nito, is yung siomai, nilalagyan natin ng sauce na ginagamit natin sa chicken wings. And that's what separates us. Kasi, yun nga, as far as I know, wala pang ibang gumagawa niyan. So, halimbawa, yung isang flavor ito, teriyaki sauce, ilalagay natin doon sa siomai. Instead na sa chicken lang natin ginagamit, is sa siomai din natin nilalagay. So, anong ibig sabihin niyan? Nakakapag-serve tayo ng kakaibang food or ng siomai. Tapos, ang sa atin naman is nagiging flexible yung ating stocks. Kasi yung sauces natin for the chicken wings, nagagamit din nating sauce para dito sa siomai. Meaning, nagiging dalawa yung purpose or yung gamit ng sauces natin. Yan. 180 branch out package inclusions. So, ito po yung presyo ni TBX Food Hub if you want to franchise. So, I'll break down lang yung inclusions kasi this is important. So, rights to use our trademark and trade name, of course, yan talaga yung binabayadan kasi we sa TBX, lalo na yung founder, personal pride niya talaga yung TBX Food Hub. So, parang yun talaga ang binabayadan, trademark and trade name, papagamit namin, lalo na yung menu and recipe. Complete business equipment, lahat ng gagamitin equipment, wala na kayong iisipin, kasama na sa inclusion. Ang iisipin nyo na lang talaga kapag nag-franchise kayo is renovation ng location. Complete initial stocks yon, approximately or roughly 100 orders of each variety. Yan, round logo, then yung board menu, kasama na din yan. Kami na din magpo-provide so that may panlagay na kayo sa counter or sa walls ng inyong store. Business Operations Manual. Of course, may Business Operations Manual, pati aprons and uniform. Process training, yan, of course, definitely. So, we do have two options. Yung kayo ang pupunta sa TBX Manda para dun tayo mag-training, then dala nyo na lahat ng inclusions nyo, lahat ng equipments. And ang isa naman, which is mas recommendable, is kami yung pupunta sa location nyo once tapos na, once ready to go na. Doon tayo mag-training para matulungan namin kayo mag-set up ng mga equipments and maturo namin yung system namin sa kusina kung paano kami gumagalaw efficiently. And ayun, together with the equipments and initial stocks, kami na may dala. Babagsak na namin sa inyo. Profitability guide, management training. Ayun, management training. For example, yung ginagawa namin na sunrise and sunset meeting sa branches namin, kinakausap namin yung mga crew sa morning, kaya sunrise, and then sunset is sa gabi naman. So, ituturo din namin yon sa inyo sa management training. Ads and marketing support, bakit? Kasi nagra-run kami ng ads kada branch or kada store and kada brand para ma-promote yung ating mga pagkain and yung ating franchise package. Nag-aalat talaga kami dyan ng 5 digits per month or even per day sa lahat ng ads namin para mas ma-promote kasi amin naman natin o hindi, social media is the game na nowadays. So, kailangan talaga yan and isa yan sa nagpapalakas ng brands namin. Marketing collaterals, POS software. Ayun, may POS software. Meaning, yung mga co-owner is may access sa POS kaya kasama din yung POS. So that's on a shareholder standpoint, but in the franchise standpoint, it's just to help the franchisee na mag-track ng inventory and sales ng mas madali. Complete initial stocks, again, kasama na yon 100 orders of each variety of food. Kasama na yon sa franchise package or franchise inclusions ni TBX Food Hub. So ayan, let's proceed dito sa shareholder or being a co-owner of TBX Food Hub. So, own 10% of a branch for 100,000 capital. So, specifically, TBX Food Hub Mandaluyong branch. So, 100,000, you'll be able to have 10% na of the branch. 10% co-owner na kayo nung branch na yon. And ayan, let me just show you the photos of our Mandaluyong branch. So, ayun, yan yung ating mismong location nung ginagawa pa lang. And, ayun, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, tayo yung talagang pinaka nag-effort sa ating store sa TBX Food Hub. Kasi tabi-tabi yon. And, I can confidently say na yung atin yung pinakamaganda or atin yung pinaka in-effortan at pinagkagastusan. Yan. Which makes us the most enticing or most pinaka-attractive dun sa TBX Food Hub na yun. Kaya nakakahatak tayo ng customers. So, these are some photos of our customers dun sa TBX Food Hub sa Mandaluyong branch, sa Mandas Food Hub. So, ayan. And ayan, yung sinasabi natin kanina na bucket ng beer. Tapos, yung mga pulutan nila. Kasi kapag umorder sila ng beer, matik o-order din niya ng pulutan. Pag naubos yung alak, bibili ulit ng alak. Mauubos yung pulutan, order ulit ng pulutan. So, yun yung cycle na nangyayari. Kaya nag-offer tayo ng mga beverages. Is napakaganda ng kita dun sa beverages natin. But of course, if you don't want to serve sa branches ninyo, if ever mag-franchise kayo, no problem. So, some photos pa ng ating mga customers sa Mandaluyong. Now, let's proceed sa profitability projection. So, eto pinagawa namin to sa agent namin. Ito, sabi namin babaan lang para conservative lang yung projection. So, imagine natin meron lang tayong 6,000 pesos. So, in 30 days, meron tayong 180k. And again, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, product costs is 72,000, 40% lang ng 180k in 30 days. So, if sinubtract natin yung product cost sa monthly gross sale natin, makukuha natin yung gross profit in 30 days na 108,000 pesos. But hindi pa natatapos doon, of course, kasi meron tayong operating expenses. Ano yung operating expenses? Ito yung rental, which is 15k. Salary, 15,000 din. Utilities, 4,200 and then tax at 3%, 10,800. So, ang total operating expenses natin is 44,000. Ngayon, isosobrak natin yung total operating expenses natin sa gross profit natin. 108,000 minus 44,000 is 64,000 and that will be our net income. So, yan na yung ating net income. And Yun yung ating paghahati-hatian, yung dividends. So, yan. Food Hub income. So, ayun nga, nakuha natin yung net income na 64,000. So, if meron kayong 1 share, which is amounting to 100,000, that's 10%. And ang 10% ng 64,000 is 6,400. In 3 months, potential 3 months ROI is 19,200. So, ayun, wala kayong ginawa. Nagkaroon kayo ng 19,200 na quarterly ROI with just 6,000 pesos na daily gross sale. Meron na kayong 19,200 pesos. So, parang ang ginawa nyo lang is pinagtrabaho nyo sa amin yung 100k nyo and yan na yung kinita niya in 3 months. If patutulugan natin sa bangko, ilang percent lang ba sa bangko? 2% or mas lalong mababa pa yung sa ibang bangko. So, if 2%, yung 100,000 nyo, in a year, annual pa yung percentage na yun. In a year, kumita lang ng 2,000 pesos. Dito sa amin, pagtatrabahuin nyo yung pera nyo and kikita kayo ng 19,200 in just 3 months. So, if 2 shares naman, syempre, doble amount, 200,000, doble din lahat. Doble percentage ownership is equivalent din sa doble na monthly potential net income na 10% nyo is 12,480. So, of course, doble din yung potential 3 months ROI nyo, which is 38,400. And not only that, as a token of appreciation, so for trusting our Mandaluyong branch, we will give you a bonus. You will have 2% bonus share for the whole brand. So, hindi na lang doon sa Mandaluyong branch kayo magiging partner or co-owner or shareholder. Shareholder na nga eh. So, 2% sa buong brand, meaning lahat ng income ng brand na ito, ng TBX Food Hub, from top to bottom, lahat ng papasok na pera dyan, meron kayong 2%. And ang isang example is expansion income. Yung income from franchising the business, which is, ang goal talaga natin, same time next year, is 100 branches. So, may papasok na pera dyan, of course. So, may 2% kayo dyan. So, let me break down yung 2% ownership nyo ng brand dito sa expansion income. So, franchise increment. Tayo po kasi, sa franchising business, kapag may na-hit ka na certain number, may right ka na magtaas ng franchise fee. But for now, discuss natin yung franchise fee natin for now. 1 to 50 branches, which is a 6 months ang ating timeline or time frame natin, target. Franchise fee natin, 180,000, gaya ng binrake down ko kanina. Markup doon, kalahati, 90,000. So, if makaka-50 tayo in 6 months, magiging total na franchise income natin is 4.5 million pesos. And yun, may 2% kayo, again. And ang 2% ng 4.5 is 90,000 pesos. This is bukod pa dun sa kikitain nyo sa branch. So, bukod pa dun sa bin-breakdown ko, nakikitain yung monthly RO at 3 months ROI. Bukod pa, i-add pa natin itong 90,000 kasi nga, kasama na kayo sa expansion income, part na kayo ng brand eh. So, next, ayun, yung sinasabi ko na may right ka magtaas ng franchise fee kapag may na-hit ka na number. So, after 50 branches, magtataas tayo ng franchise fee, which will be 220,000. And ang kagandahan doon, hindi naman tayo nagtaas ng ating costing. Kasi, ganun pa rin. Magiging ganun pa rin yung ating puhunan. Magtaas man tayo, very minimal. So, ang markup natin tataas. So, magiging 110,000 na siya. And in 6 months, another 6 months or 12 months, including this, ang magiging total na natin is 5.5 million pesos and yung 2% nyo is kikita na ng 110,000 pesos. So on and so forth, kapag tayo ay naka 200 branches na, magiging total nating franchises income is 26 million pesos and ang 2% noon is 180,000 pesos. So, ang shareholder total bonus income nyo will be 26 million. Yan yung breakdown. 26 million. Kunin natin yung 2% noon. It will be 520,000 pesos. Yun yung 2% nyong ownership or dividend sa brand. That is sa franchise pa lang. But not only that, again, because you will also earn from our product distributions. Kasi lahat na magpa-franchise, nasa contract, is sa atin kukuha or sa atin kuha ng replenishments ng mga stocks. Pag kada restock nila, sa atin yan bibilhin. And ayan yung tinatawag na distribution income. So, distribution to all the branches. So, basically, yun na yung sinabi ko na kada order sa atin, papasok na pera, may 2% kayo. Yan. So, distribution income. So, sa first 50 branches natin, imagine nyo meron tayo na 10,000 pesos na revenue per branch. And that would be monthly revenue ng 500k. So, semi-annual company revenue is 3 million. And again, ito na yung magiging 2% dividend nyo. Dito sa distribution income alone. Bukod pa to dun sa franchise income, sa expansion income. And bukod pa yung branch ownership nyo na may 10% kayo na profit shares doon. So, ayan, palaki ng palaki yan kapag naka 200 branches na tayo. Ang ating monthly revenue na, monthly net revenue sa distribution is 200,000 and ang semi-annual company revenue is 9 million. And yan na. Yan na yung magiging total ng inyong 2% dividend. So, as a shareholder, just like with other companies, all you have to do is invest one time. One-time investment lang, walang reinvestment, and you will receive dividends lifetime kasi yung equity nyo or yung ownership nyo is perpetual, meaning lifetime. So, one-time investment, walang renewal na after 1 year kailangan mo ulit mag-invest to retain your shares. Dito sa amin perpetual, so you will receive dividends lifetime dun sa tatlong income na binanggit ko. So, pasadahan ko lang itong mga terms na to. Investment purpose, so yan, for expansion, growing the business, marketing, and sales. Tsaka sa advertisement din, tsaka para sa team. So, business corporation is when multiple people or groups share ownership of a business with each shareholders owns a percentage of the business. Business shareholder, so yan, parang kayo yan, a partner of a specific business entity recognized by the law and referred to as a corporation kasi for now, we'll be signing memorandum of agreement but sa January, ipapasok natin ang articles of incorporation para nasa SEC kasama yung pangalan ninyo. Share capital, the money a shareholder buys in equivalent to business equity or share ownership. So, ito yung 100,000, yung share capital nyo, yung bibili nyo ng shares. Dividend, ito na yung kita natin. Profit share that each of the shareholders are getting from the company's revenue. Contract security, ayan, again, articles of incorporation from SEC sa January since nagre-reset yun every year. So, ipapasok natin yun January na para hindi na natin kailangan mag-reset. Then, ito, notarized memorandum of agreement for the rest of the year. Now, how to become part of TBX Corporation? So, buy and share capital. So, yun. Magsisend ako sa inyo. Kukunin ko yung email nyo or magsasabi sa akin kung sino yung interested. Send ako ng letter of intent form. And then, i-indicate nyo doon yung personal information nyo and kung ilang shares yung gusto nyong bilhin. And, ang 5 lang ang kailangan natin and we only have 2 slots left. So, it's a first come first serve basis. So, if I were you, bilisan mo na, speed kills. So, paiksiin mo agad yung gap ng idea mo na mag-business or mag-invest tsaka nung execution. Unahan mo na sila. So, buy in share capital. So, 100,000 again, 10%, and then 2% doon sa brand itself. Sign the agreement. At yan, pipirma tayo ng agreement natin, pati yung memorandum of agreement. Then, we'll have it notarized para formal and legal. And then, ayun na, continuous dividend. Tuloy-tuloy na yung perpetual lifetime. And we are looking forward to do business with you. Basically, that's it. Walang sales pitch na nangyari. Kasi, diniscuss ko lang yung terms and conditions tsaka lahat ng info na ninyo malaman about TBX, yung brand namin, para mas makilala nyo kami. And, basically, that's it. So, it's your time to shine naman. Kayo naman yung magkakaroon ng chance na magsalita because if you have any questions, we will be more than happy to answer those. So, yeah. Thank you so much. And, yan.